Find out what quality management software can do for you. Quality management software helps manufacturers maintain quality standards in their processes and products, managing key aspects such as compliance requirements, audits, corrective and preventative actions, or CAPA, and approval processes. Quality management software includes features such as audit management, so users can oversee every step in their audit workflow, including auditor selection, audit approval, and reporting. CAPA management features capture and analyze potential risks related to product or process issues and customer complaints. Supplier management features help manufacturers select and oversee quality standards for their vendors and supply chain partners. Ready to find the right quality management software for you? Get personalized software recommendations by visiting GetApp.com.